Welcome to the comprehensive demonstration of the AVmatrix SE2017 SDI and HDMI Encoder and Recorder. This high-performance device is designed for both live streaming and record capturing, offering versatile functionality for a wide range of media applications. The SE2017 supports both HDMI and SDI video inputs, with a loop-out feature for easy monitoring on an additional screen. You can record and stream at resolutions up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, making it perfect for live broadcasting to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. The encoder supports a variety of streaming protocols including RTMP, RTSP, and SRT, ensuring compatibility with any streaming setup. The device also allows for USB or SD card recording in MP4 and TS file formats, ensuring smooth playback. In the box, you will find a 12-volt power adapter and a quick start guide to help you set up. On the left side, the SE2017 features an SDI input, SDI loop output, HDMI input, HDMI loop output, audio input, and a power input. On the right side is a LAN input, USB-C output, USB output, and an SD card slot. Now, let's go over the device's controls. The front panel includes buttons for easy operation. The reset button restores factory settings. The menu button opens the settings menu, and long pressing it locks the menu. The back button takes you to the previous selection, and long pressing it starts recording. The next button moves you to the next selection, and long pressing it starts streaming. Finally, the return button takes you back to the previous page. For network configuration and live stream setup, simply connect the SE2017 to your router via Ethernet, and then connect your computer to the router. The device will automatically obtain an IP address through DHCP and show it on the screen. Enter the IP address into a browser to access the device's web management page, where you have full control over all settings, from encoding parameters to stream management. With the device status page, you can monitor the network speed, check recording and streaming statuses, and view hardware metrics such as CPU usage and temperature. Additionally, a live video preview is available for instant monitoring of your stream. In the encode settings page, you can configure video and audio parameters. The device allows you to select your video source, resolution, frame rate, and bit rate. You can also adjust audio encoding settings, choosing between embedded audio from SDI and HDMI or an external analog input. The stream settings page offers flexible control over your streaming setup. You can configure both the main stream and substream to broadcast to up to 3 platforms simultaneously. The page allows you to enter the streaming URL and key for platforms like YouTube or Twitch. On the record settings page, you can manage recording storage, including checking the status of USB drives or SD cards, formatting storage, and setting file segmentation intervals. You can also enable the overwrite function, which automatically replaces older files when storage is full, ensuring uninterrupted recording. The layer overlay page provides options to enhance your video by adding logos and text overlays. You can upload a BMP logo file and customize its size and position, as well as add text for channel names, date, or time, with adjustable color and placement. Finally, the system settings page lets you manage device configurations, including viewing firmware version and device details, upgrading firmware, setting network configurations, and adjusting the system clock. You can also change the default admin password for enhanced security. To start streaming, connect your input video device and configure the settings to suit your preferences and internet speed. Access your chosen streaming platform, such as YouTube, copy the stream URL and key from the platform stream setting page, and paste them into the appropriate fields in the SE2017 stream settings section. Start streaming by clicking the button, and within seconds, your live stream will be broadcasting on YouTube. To capture video with OBS, connect the SE2017 to your computer via USB-C. In the SE2017 System Settings menu, switch the device mode to USB-C, open OBS Studio, select the SE2017 as the video capture device, and you're ready to go. Whether you are streaming live content or capturing recordings for later editing, the SE2017 SDI and HDMI Encoder and Recorder is a powerful, all-in-one solution. For more information, visit our website at AVmatrixUSA.com or contact us at 1-888-608-3088 or email us at sales@AVmatrixUSA.com. AVmatrix operates alongside Lilliput, a globalized OEM and ODM services provider specialized in the research and application of electronic and computer-related technologies. Lilliput offers full-line technical services including industrial design and system structure design, PCB design and hardware design, firmware and software design, as well as system integration. It is a certified research institute and manufacturer involved in the design, manufacturing, marketing, and delivery of electronic products across the world since 1993.